So, turn on the light. This is super dark in here, and I need to hold the button down. And we're looking for a box. There it is. Just the box I was looking for. So this thing lights up pretty good. If it's dark, very simple, easy to use. All right, today we're going to bring a portable charger. Now this portable charger has a solar panel in the front. All right, in the back it has 3 different cables. We have a Type C, and then we have a Thunderbolt, which you charge an iPhone, and then in the middle it's a Type A, and this is where you actually use it to charge the actual system. So they pretty much are they're embedded in there pretty good, so you're not gonna see them loose anytime. You're gonna have to take them out like I just did right now. So when you want to use them, you actually use them both at the same time. All right, so now the iPhone 15 uses Type C. You can start using this one too. Older iPhones, you can use this one. Now on the other side, on the sides, there's 2 LED lights that you can use in the night, and then here in the bottom there's another little compartment here, and this is where you actually could charge it to, where it says out and then in. In would be a connection to actually charge the unit here, and it's included. Type C, and then you have an out too, so you could plug in another USB here to another device. On the side button here, you click it and it's going to indicate how much charge you have, and then if you hold it down for like a few seconds, you're able to turn on the light. Click on it once, it does a flash SOS. Faster, so you could put this in the floor in front of your car if it breaks down, and then it turns off. That's pretty much it. So charging is not that bad, and then they also give you a little holder too, so you can clip it onto your backpack if you're traveling, if you're going to mountains or camping. This is perfect. You can set up on your tent and then plug on your devices here. So let me show you how it works. Plug in the Type C, which is my Droid. Plug that one in, and then we're going to also plug in a phone. So we're charging 2 devices at the same time here, and this is perfect if you want to take it to amusement parks or anywhere, or long distance, or driving that you're going to require extra charge. This is perfect to have. Now if you have 1 device at a time, just put it here facing up, and then you can put this against your window. You could charge it more by putting it against the window or glass and just letting it go. So not that bad, very simple, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.